Hey,
Is being outside in nature therapeutic for you?
we have just the recipe for you out of our June recipe box.
We're gonna use essential oils to make a diffuser blend that's gonna smell like you're walking into a woodland.
Let's check it out.
For this recipe, we're gonna use our June Simply Earth Essential Oil recipe box. We're gonna use our labels, and we're gonna find our recipe card. We're going to use 2 drops of timber, 1 drop of hoe wood, 1 drop of citronella, and 3 drops of sweet orange essential oil.
And from our big bonus box, we're gonna grab our 5 milliliter bottle because we know you're gonna love the recipe and you're gonna wanna make a master blend.
You also want to use a diffuser. We're gonna use our cute Simply Earth flower diffuser. All right, let's make this recipe. So 2 drops of timber, a very calming and soothing oil,
3 drops of orange, which is energizing,
1 drop of hoe wood, a calming and soothing oil,
and last but not least, 1 drop of citronella.
So after you've tried this recipe in your diffuser and love it, grab that 5 milliliter bottle that's in your big bonus box and make a master blend.
To make a master blend, you're gonna wanna use 28 drops of timber, 14 drops of hoe wood, 43 drops of orange, and 14 drops of citronella.
Put it in the bottle, shake it up a little bit, don't forget to label it, and then to use it, we're just gonna add a couple drops right onto our diffuser. Super simple, less than 5 minutes, and now we have a blend that we can bring with us to our office or use in our home to help bring nature inside.
For more recipes just like this, head to simplyearth.com/box and don't forget to hit that subscribe now button.
This recipe box is the best way to learn how to use essential oils with confidence and clarity, so subscribe today.
Thanks for watching.